Hey, welcome to the Nova Toolbox. If you're trying to find AI tools that genuinely save time, improve quality, or help you build faster, this channel's for you. I don't just list features, I test tools like a real user and show you the results on screen. Today, we are exploring UPDF AI, a modern all-in-one PDF editor that's changing the way we work with documents. UPDF is available on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, and a single license lets you unlock all features across every device. From the moment you open it, the interface feels fast, modern, and intuitive. Editing text and images directly in PDFs is effortless. Pages can be rearranged or deleted in seconds, and annotating with highlights, comments, shapes, and stamps is smooth and precise. The built-in OCR feature converts scanned PDFs into fully searchable and editable text, making even old or complex documents easy to manage. The real highlight is UPDF's AI Assistant. You can chat with your PDFs to get instant summaries, translations, or key insights, and even generate mind maps to visualize complex information in seconds. It understands multiple documents at once and can extract tables, charts, or data efficiently. This combination of AI, OCR, and standard editing tools makes reviewing, analyzing, and preparing documents faster and smarter than ever. During my tryout, UPDF handled large files effortlessly. Reorganizing pages, annotating reports, and converting PDFs to Word or Excel was seamless, with layouts and formatting preserved perfectly. The AI assistant saved huge amounts of time by summarizing long reports in seconds, while batch processing multiple files made repetitive tasks simple and quick. UPDF is also very affordable. The Pro plan starts at $39.99 per year, giving full access to editing, conversion, and AI tools across all devices, while a one-time lifetime license is around $69.99, eliminating recurring fees. A free version lets you explore core features with some limitations, and optional AI add-ons provide unlimited chats and advanced capabilities for power users. Overall, UPDF feels like a powerful, smart, and accessible PDF solution, combining cutting-edge AI with all the essential tools for editing, organizing, and analyzing PDFs. It's fast, reliable, and surprisingly affordable, making it an incredible alternative to traditional PDF editors and a must-have for students, professionals, and anyone working with documents. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.